I was in Obafemi Awolowo University for a crusade. Some of the pastors who went with you will remember this very well. Everything was going on well. When it was just about 3 minutes for me to come to the altar, I was in an open field. All of a sudden, the whole of the arena became dark. At 4 p.m. Was it suddenly becoming evening or night? No. By the time we lifted up our heads, thousands of blackbirds have covered the crusade. They were so many, they blocked the sunlight. And they were gathering. I smiled. Took the microphone. So everybody here, most of them were students. So can you see what is happening? So yes, some were very scared. So point your fingers towards the heavens. You satanic birds, hear the word of the Lord. Catch fire. We had not prayed for 1 minute. The place cleared. I'm praying for somebody here. If any satanic bird gathered against you shall scatter unto desolation. They shall scatter. 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 In the name of Jesus.